Meaning of deniable.
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 Deniable. The term deniable means something that can be denied or disavowed in a plausible manner. This can be applied to various situations such as denying an accusation or denying involvement in a particular activity. The advantage of deniability is that it can protect individuals or organizations from legal liabilities or social consequences. However, it is often used in a negative context, especially in cases where individuals or organizations engage in unethical or illegal activities but can deny responsibility or involvement. Ultimately, deniability allows individuals or organizations to distance themselves from undesirable actions while avoiding accountability and consequences.